Here is how to download a video from TikTok. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your TikTok application, log into your account, and then find the video that you want to save. If it's someone else's video, tap on the arrow icon in the bottom right corner, and there you'll see the download option that is between not interested and add to story. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will start downloading the certain video that you have decided to download. You'll see the downloading indicator in the bottom, and this video will be downloaded to the device camera roll once the percent is reached to 100%. If the save video option is grayed out or missing, the creator might have disabled downloads on their profile. So that's all there is to saving videos from TikTok. For more helpful TikTok tips and tricks, you can check out our channel and also subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.